Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to calculate divide in Google Sheets on computer. So how to calculate divide in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets workpage. You can see here that I have prepared a table that will be calculated divide. I will immediately calculate divide from this data. Direct the cursor to the first column of the results. And tap. Next, type equals. Type the sum formula. And type open brackets. Tap enter the first column number. Type a slash. Or enter the column number. Close brackets. And tap enter. Now you can see the results. Next, here is an easier way without the sum formula. Type equals. Tap enter the first column number. Type a slash. Or enter the column number. And tap enter. Now you can see the results. For the next result column, block result column 1 and 2. Then pull down. Can be seen this is a quick way. So that's it, tutorial how to calculate divide in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.